Okay, student. Exercise 3.3, question number 4, part second we are taking here. Form the pair of linear equations for following problem. Problem is like this, and find their solution by substitution method. First you find the pair of linear equations, then you have to solve by using substitution method. Okay. Here the larger of two supplementary angles. Here two supplementary angles. See this, two supplementary angles. First of all, you assume let two angles be x and y. Okay, and also assume x is greater than y. We assume x angle is greater than y. According to first, the larger of two supplementary. First of all, you know what are the supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means the sum of two angle is 180 degree, then they are called supplementary. It means sum of these two angle is 180 degree. Is equal to 180 degree. This is equation number 1. By the first, this the larger of two supplementary angle. First condition from supplementary angles. If these two are supplementary angles, it means the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Now we'll take the larger of two supplementary angles. Means here two angle x and y. Larger is x here. Okay. Exceed the smaller by 18. It means greater angle is x minus y is equal to 18 degree. Clear? This is equation number 2. Exceed the smaller. It means x is greater than 18 degree to by the smaller angle. So you write x minus y is equal to 18 degree. Here you find two linear equations of two variable. Very clear. Now you have to use substitution method to solve these two equations. Okay. So for that, from equation first, we get what? X is equal to 180 degree minus y. You can find this one. Here you can also find y is equal to 180 degree minus x. As you know. Okay. Now put x is equal to 180 degree minus y in equation number second. Clear? Here equation number 2 is x minus y is equal to 18 degree. This is equation number 2. Put the value of x. X is 180 degree minus y. Put here 180 degree minus y and also minus y is equal to 18 degree. Now 180 degree transpose this side. Then this become minus 2y is equal to 18 degree minus 180 degree is equal to, when you subtract this you will get negative numbers. Or negative number what? 162 degree. Therefore y is equal to 162 degree upon minus 2. The result is 81 degree. So you get here y is equal to 81 degree. Clear? Now put the value of y is equal to 81 degree in equation number 3. Okay, when you put in equation number 3, then what will you get? X is equal to, equation number 3 is this, x is equal to 180 degree minus y 180 degree minus y. Then put values. 180 degree minus y is here, see here, 81 degree. So result is 99 degree. Clear? Therefore result is x is equal to 99 degree and y is equal to what? 81 degree. See, this is y is equal to 81 degree and this is x is equal to 99 degree. This is the solution of these two equations. Okay. So therefore the angles are, you can also write angles are 99 degree and 81 degree. See, sum of these two angles is 180 degree. It means these two angles are supplementary angles. Like this you can solve this problem.